Hey there, outdoor fans! You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best pocket knives in 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these pocket knives, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first pocket knife we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Kershaw Blur. Next up in our number 4 spot, we got the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And coming up next in our number 3 spot, we've got the Opinel No. 8. Next up at our number 2 spot, we got the Benchmade Bugout 535. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Kershaw Leek. Alright, outdoor fans. So, now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which pocket knife you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.